In transportation problem, we're going to see another method, least cost method. What is the least cost method? The least cost method is another method which used to obtain the initial feasible solution for transportation problem. Here the allegation begins with the cell which has the minimum cost. The lower cost cell are chosen over the higher cost cells, which the objective to have the least cost of the transportation. In transportation least cost method, we are going to see one of the problem. The three rows are given 1 2 6 and 0 4 2 and 3 1 5, and three columns are given. Demand is given and supply also given. You have to find the least cost method. Since first we have to see that the demand is equal to supply. So suppose the demand is equal to supply means the given transportation is balanced. S is equal. Summation A is a demand, summation Bj is a supply. You sum 10 plus 10 plus 10 30, and 7 plus 12 plus 11 30. The supply equal to demand. The given problem is balanced. Therefore there exists a feasible solution. First step, in that given cost matrix we have to see which one is the least minimum cost element. Minimum cost element is 0. You allocate there. The corresponding 0, what is the demand is 10, and what is the corresponding supply is 12. In the 10 comma 12, in 10 comma 12, which is minimum 10, you allocate there 10. You subtract with minimum element 10 minus 10 0, 12 minus 10 2. 0 is came in first column, you cross that first column. Second step, remaining element 2 6 4 2 1 5 and demand and supply. Same in given cost matrix, which is the minimum cost element is 2. There 2 is 2 time is appear. You can choose any one of the 2. I choosing the first 2. What is the corresponding is 10, and what is the supply is 7. In that which is 10 comma 7, which is minimum 7, you apply allocate 7. 7 minus 7 0, 10 minus 7 3. Whereas 0 is appear on first row, you strike the cross the first row. Third step, remaining element 4 2 1 5 and demand and supply. In that 4 2 7 1 5, which is the minimum cost element is 1. For 1 corresponding demand is 3 and supply is 11. In that what is the minimum? 3 comma 11 is 3 comma 11, which is the minimum 3. You allocate there 3. 3 minus 3 0, 11 minus 3 8. 0 is came in first column. You strike the first column. Fourth step, 2 5. In 2 and 5, which is in 2 element only, 2 and 5, which is the minimum is 2. You allow what is the corresponding is 10. What is supply is 2. In 2 comma 10, which is minimum 2, you allocate 2 in minimum cost element. Okay, 2 minus 2 0, 10 minus 2 8. 0 is appeared in first row. Cancel. Fifth step, we have only one element 5. Demand and supply must be equal. Okay, that element you have to allocate in that cell element also. Therefore the initial transportation cost, what is the first step? You allocated in 0 into 10. Second step, 2 into 7. Third step, 1 into 3. Fourth step, 2 into 2. Fifth step, 2 into 8. 5 into 8. You multiply and sum, you get rupees 61. This is the answer for least cost method.